Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create videos like God Erase AI. So if you don't know what God Erase AI is, basically an Instagram page which creates amazing Ronaldo, Messi, Mbappe kind of cinematic, like movie style videos like this.
Mbappe, where are you? Jesus. Sweet. Where is Messi?
And in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process to create these kind of videos, from scripting to creating images, videos, voiceover, dialogues, and everything. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, we're going to go to ChatGPT and I've typed over here a simple prompt. So I want to create AI generated short video of Ronaldo and Messi brain rot. So please provide me some brain rot, funny and weirdest innovative short ideas. So yeah, then ChatGPT basically provide me all the ideas of the brain rot AI short that I can create very easily. So I have all of my ideas right over here. So from here, what I can do is I can pick up one of my most favorite idea that I like the most, and then I can simply copy that and come to ChatGPT once again, new chat, paste it right over here, and then I set into a long prompt, just elaborating ChatGPT what I want in my short, like what kind of prompts that I can create out of that. So I said, all right, so I really like this idea, final this one, and now you generate me the prompt. So as I told you in the beginning, like the prompts would be with all the scenes. Make sure the scenes are like, one character at a time, because obviously if there would be one character at a time, it would be easy to create those images and the images won't mess up, right? And all of the other information, like how I want my prompts to be, the faces should be consistent, it should be realistic, the clothing of the character should be consistent all the way in the prompts and all that information. And then ChatGPT provided me with all the prompts one by one. And now I said, what you're doing is you're providing a limited scene, so you can extend the scenes, but the motion won't be that crazy. So, I basically said to ChatGPT, like, I want all the scenes. You can create as much scenes, as much prompts as I want, but all the scenes should be linked up. Like, this should create a complete story. Then, after so many tries, ChatGPT provided me all the scenes, and now I have around, 20 to 22 scenes, like 20 scenes in total. And then I can go ahead and create those scenes one by one in any AI text to image generator, right? So yeah, now I have all of my prompts ready. So what I can do next is I can go ahead and create those images. So I'm going to go ahead and copy all of these prompts one by one. And for text to image generation, I'm going to go to ChatGPT once again and simply copy paste all of these prompts into ChatGPT. So my first prompt was ultra realistic Lionel Messi sitting on a steel bench inside a holding cell, hands resting on knees, wearing a dark gray hoodie and joggers, neutral face expression, camera facing him directly, 9 by 16 vertical aspect ratio. So for that, ChatGPT provided me with this image. You guys can see this looks really, really good. The face of Messi is really accurate, and the image look really sharp, detailed, and everything. And then I'm gonna go ahead and copy my next prompt, simply paste it into ChatGPT once again. So this is my second image. Then I have my third image. So there is a cop and there's Messi, and then I have my fourth image, then fifth, then sixth, seven, eight, and all of my images are here. And now I can easily go ahead and download all of these images one by one. All right, so once all of my images are downloaded with me, so yeah, you guys don't worry if you are unable to create these images. I'm gonna go ahead and paste all of these prompts down in the description in a doc file, so you can copy paste all of these prompts and create your own versions, right? So yeah, once all of my images are done, so next step is we need to go ahead and animate those images through image to video generation. So for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use Video AI, right? So yeah, this is a very amazing AI video generator. It provides you some of the free credits. You can see I have 990 credits right now, and for one generation it only requires 20 credits. So it's really, really amazing, right? So yeah, first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and simply paste my first image over here in my first frame. And for the prompt, I'm gonna be very simple with the prompts. I just wrote Messi sits in silence, camera slowly zooms in on his sad, tired face. So yeah, you need to provide the camera motion just to make your generation more and more engaging and more perfect, right? So yeah, for that, I'm going to choose model VQ1, video Q1, and duration would be 5 seconds, movement would be auto, amount would be 1, and let's just create this. All right, so for that, it provided me with this generation. You guys can see this looks absolutely perfect. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and upload all of my images to Video AI one by one. Like here is my second image. And for that, I'm going to type in my prompt that camera pans right as Messi slowly turns in his head to glance at the door. So I'm going to create this again now. All right, and for that, you guys can see it provided me with this generation. Looks absolutely perfect. Like, take a look at this one, how beautifully Messi is looking to his left. And, the motion is absolutely great. No distortion, no deformation. Like the consistency in the face looks really, really good. There is no problem in the generation, And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and animate all of my videos in Video AI one by one. You can see here are all of my generations. Here is the another one. So yeah, you guys can see all of these generations are looking absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and download all of them one by one. All right, so once all of my videos are downloaded as well, so now comes our next step. We need to go ahead and edit all of these videos together, compile them, and for that, I'm going to use any video editor. I'm going to use Filmora in this case. And simply, I'm going to go ahead and import all of my clips right over here, import my song. So I'm going to be taking this song, this edit song, Skull edit song that's really famous. Like, hear this out. Do finges. So yeah, you guys probably have heard this song so much in a different edits. So I'm gonna simply paste it down in the timeline right over here. And now we're gonna go ahead and add some dialogues of Messi and this cop as well. So for that, I'm gonna go to Google and search over here Messi AI voice, and I'm gonna go to this link findshare.com/AI voice of Messi, and simply need to go ahead and just generate your dialogues through text to speech. Like for the first one, I'm gonna say like, man, how did I get into jail, bro? I'm gonna generate this, and let's just go ahead and hear this out, how our AI voice of Messi turned out to be.
Man, how did I get into jail, bro?
All right, this looks really, really accurate, really looks like Messi's voice. I'm gonna download this and simply import it right over here, just drag it to the audio timeline, and I'm gonna generate some dialogues of cop as well, like hear this out.
So was that really you who stole the Ballon d'Or?
And this voice, I'm going to go ahead and create with 11 Labs. You can choose any voice artist you like. I've chosen Brian in this case. And for that,
Hey, sir, please come in.
it's going to provide you these kind of generations. I'm going to import that to the timeline as well. And simply go ahead and need to do a bit of editing, provide a bit of captions. And then I'm going to go ahead and import my skull edit right over here. We need to just freeze this frame and simply need to go ahead and provide some effects that are already in Filmora, and simply need to go ahead and do that to the messy face as well. Like, just do editing which you think suits the most to your desired video. And once everything is done, I'm going to go ahead and simply export this file. Make sure that you need to go ahead and select the frame rate as 60 FPS to provide, smoother videos, and export this. And once it's done, this is how your video is going to turn out.
Man, how did I get into jail, bro?
All right, so there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method to create, brain rot AI skull type video edits out of free AI tools. So yeah, I hope you like this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.